Hey everybody, Steph Beckett here from InfoComm 2022 here at the SpinetiX booth. I am here with Francesco of SpinetiX.
Hello.
How's it going?
I'm so happy to be here this year. It's so long we are not able to travel to US. So everything going very well.
Yes, and as we can see, your booth is very busy, so I am excited because this is my first booth tour of the show, so I'm very excited that it's going to be with you guys, and I'm excited to see all the solutions you have today.
Yes, I mean, as you know, we are in the business of digital signage since 16 years, so we have a lot to say every time, but we try to rationalize with our booth, which is very open, very transparent, that we have a total solution, of course, with a player operating system, but we have a special product that we want to highlight, which is ARIA. So I don't know, we can walk on the other side?
Sounds good.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Okay.
So, as you can see from the booth, we have really decided to be very open. Open concept, because we like the terms of hospitality in the sense that we want to welcome people. And what is our priority today is really to show that digital signage can combine the simplicity of a cloud application with the sophistication of the integration job that is required in digital signage. And the first step that our partners are really doing now in their project is ARIA. ARIA is a cloud application from wherever you are, your PC, your laptop. You are able to connect your screens in your account, publish your media, your text, and then deploy that over your network of screens. That's very, very easy to use. This is how it looks like. Just one second. These are ready-to-use templates that really fit the majority of the needs of our customers. And these 9 templates you see there highlight the logo, the opening hours, the news, the product or service that our customer want to highlight, the weather forecast. All what you see here, one user, 1 gigabyte of storage is free of charge. So it means that our customer can just plug their players in their account and start using it and discovering what digital signage can do for them.
Very cool.
I hope so. No, we are very successful. I have to say that this is a good way to introduce many of our customers to the concept that digital signage is not just playlist of images and video, but is more than that. But to be successful there, you need system integrators to do their job. So ARIA is now fully integrated with a bit more sophisticated product, which is called Elementi. This is PaintShop Pro for digital signage. Multi-layers, you combine your scene, you write JavaScript to connect to data sources, to IoT sensors, to third-party technologies. Once you have created your content, the small button here brings you your content to the cloud application, the cloud account of your customer. And that's as simple as that. The end user will simply see an additional template on top of the 9 he already has. And he will be able, like that, to benefit from smarter digital signage, more automatic digital signage. So this is really a unique combination today that we explain and we demonstrate to our customers.
And getting people to think of digital signage as more than just something that should show a stagnant image.
Absolutely, absolutely. To inspire more our customers, we have 3 additional screens there that highlight how digital signage is used in different environments. Of course, there are restaurants, of course, there are corporate environments where you need to welcome people, you need to inspire them, you need to sell services to them. And I have, SpinetiX moved in a new building recently, and we are using our product ourselves. And it's amazing how much these screens, when they display relevant information, change your habits. Because when you want to take the car to go home, you look at the screen that shows the traffic in real time. And So these habits are really making people happy to go again in public places, in hotels, in restaurants, and it contributes to, recovering from the pandemic situation.
And more people in retail are probably going to be apt to use this once they realize how easy it is to change what's on the menu.
Absolutely. No, absolutely. There are many, many applications in many, many industries. Another topic that I would like to show you, if you have one more second.
Of course. I have all the seconds in the world. Okay. Okay.
This is streaming.
Yes, streaming.
So, digital signage and streaming have many synergies. Not only our product is able to something that we support many years ago, but we are also able to stream out the same content that you have on your display into the internet, like live YouTube, live Facebook, and that is amazing for corporate communication, for hotels. They are sharing what's happening in their facility to the outside world. And that's natively supported by all our players now.
And being natively supported is important because that's going to be another thing that's easy to use.
Absolutely. That's the idea, to have a functionality which is natively supported by the player so that the customer just activates it and it benefits immediately. And the last, this is more like an inspiration integration we call Live Agent.
Cool.
It's over here.
All right.
So during COVID, we have discovered Zoom. You know that?
I think I've heard of that.
Exactly. And we were asking, while we are from home using this tool, how can we combine Zoom with digital signage? And our product is now able to do that. And here what we display is how cool when you have a digital signage directory or advertisement. You get close to it and automatically you get in contact with a true person somewhere else. This person will perhaps help you answering questions you have. Or if you are in an hotel, it will welcome you and tell you where you can find the keys or where you can find other services. So the advantage is that these people, these live agents, don't need to be physically there. So they can serve many locations. So I don't know how many. We have some hospitals using this solution. Yeah. I don't know if that can be deployed in many other places, but I found cool to combine digital signage with unified communication. So
I think it can be used in lots of things, maybe hotels, universities, where you have the IT director, but he can't get to a bunch of places at once. Absolutely. So yeah, I see a lot of different use cases for this, and that's very cool. So it's kind of an integrated help desk into digital signage.
Exactly, and of course, Live Agent exists since years. Yes. What is new is combining it with digital signage. Yes. And Zoom, of course, is the technology used behind, but instead of using your laptop, you are in a public place.
Yeah, you go right to the screen.
Exactly, and in a way, the communication of digital signage, which normally is in one direction, you absorb, becomes bidirectional. Yeah. So why not? We'll see how that works. What is sure is that our mission remains to give the tools to system integrator to be creative in their projects. That's really what we want to provide them. And so we have customers that invent every day new use to use our solution in digital signage environment.
Last question I have for you is just where can people find more information about SpinetiX and about ARIA?
Well, the first step is SpinetiX.com, our website. And if you want to try ARIA, right now is aria.spinetix.cloud, and you can create your own account right away.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you taking the time to show me the booth and show me a little bit more about the open concept. I do agree it's a really great design, so I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Stephanie, thank you very much. The same to you.
Thank you so much. And don't forget, on our side, you can find all of your InfoComm coverage at ravepubs.com/InfoComm 2022. Thanks again. Bye.